Hello everyone! Today I'm going to use watercolor to paint Frieren from Frieren Beyond the Journey's End. I've already finished the pencil sketch, so now it's time to add some color. I'm using a watercolor set that my friend lent me because my own set has some issues, and I always feel that the colors aren't as vibrant. That's why I want to try different watercolor sets. Professional watercolor pens can be very expensive, and buying new ones every time costs a lot. Luckily, I have a friend who's a very professional watercolor artist. She has many different types of pens, so I borrowed some from her to try. The set I'm using now are in a Holbein paint box, but the colors themselves are actually Daniel Smith, a high-quality brand from the USA. Before I started painting, I made a color swatch to understand the colors and how they work. I have to admit, there's other reason why I want to try different brands of pen. I'm not very confident in my watercolor skills. I watch many tutorial videos to gain some knowledge and tips on watercolor, but somehow I've noticed all I care about is that the different brands can make big difference. I know it sounds silly. I didn't start my professional career with traditional painting. My background is in digital art. Digital painting has many benefits, like lots of colors, beautiful brush strokes, and ability to undo. While learning digital art, I watched many tutorials looking for special brushes like watercolor or oil painting brushes. Sometimes not finding the exact brush make me feel frustrated. Then I realized many of these brushes are based on real-life painting techniques. So I thought, why not learn traditional painting techniques to get more authentic effects? I started trying acrylics, watercolors, and gouache. By practicing, I learned a lot about colors and materials, and this knowledge is very useful for my artwork. Traditional painting materials haven't changed much over the years, so once you understand them, you can use the knowledge for a very long time. Digital art, on the other hand, is always evolving. People are always looking for the new brushes, styles, and effects. As a creative person, it's natural to want new things. But sometimes we forgot the main purpose of art, to express our own ideas. It's normal to get inspired by other people's work, but in the end, we need to show our own unique voice in our art, not just copy others because their compositions or colors are nice. The materials, styles, and effects we chase are like characters. They accompanied Frieren through different parts of her life. But in the end, she has to find her own value. We also go through many stages of exploring art materials, tools, and styles to find and express our voices. It may not be the trendiest, but it will be the most genuine. I'm still on that journey myself. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my work, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and tell me your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.